Today our topic is list versus tuple. So, what is the difference between list and tuple? First of all, we should know this. What is the major difference? So, as you know that in the list, the elements are stored in the form of indexing. While in the tuple, they are also stored in this form. But the major difference is that in list, the elements are stored in the form of square brackets, while in the tuple, the elements which are stored are in the form of round brackets. This is the major difference between list and the tuple. So, in the list, elements are in square bracket, while in the tuple, elements are in this form, round brackets. So let's apply methods and check what is the major difference between list and the tuple and how can we assess them. So first of all, let's suppose I am creating a list. So let's suppose a list of fruits equals to apple, comma, peach, comma, orange. So these are the fruits which are stored in the file which is fruits. So let's suppose I want to apply the method. I want to add an element in the list. To add an element in the list, the command which we use is append. So first of all, we write the name of the initial list, which is fruits. In the fruits, I want to append. What does the append mean? Append means adding the element into the existing elements. So fruits dot append, and in the append I use what type of what is my the element what is the element which I want to append in the list. So let's say I want to append another fruit which is banana. So this is the method. You can write it in the fruits. Let's run the code and see what happens. As you see that in the fruits, first initial in the fruits, there are three elements stored. The number one element is apple, number two element is peach, and the third one is orange. Now what I have done, I have add one more element which is banana. So as you see, after appending, my element is has been added to the list, and here it is like banana. So in this manner, you will append values in the list. Let's suppose I want to remove some elements in the list. So how can we do this? We will do this like this. It is the same process like append fruits dot remove. Let's suppose I want to remove apple. So here it is the command. After this, you have to write the actual name to see the output. So as you see that the element which was stored firstly has been removed by using remove command. So as you see that there is no apple in these list. So the remove command will remove the respective elements which you want to remove. Now let's suppose like remove, there is also another command which is pop. What does pop do? Actually, pop remove the element at the last position. What does it mean? Let's suppose I have the fruits. I have the list of fruits. There are three elements stored right now: peach, orange, and banana. When I pop the fruit, what will happen? The banana will extract and the remaining two elements will be left behind. And these elements will be like peach and orange because the pop command will remove the element at the end of the list. So what does it mean? We will see here like this fruits dot pop. You see that in the last here we have banana, but now the banana have been removed. So as in this manner you will access the list methods. But can we do this in tuple? We will see here like this. Let's suppose I have a list of another vegetables where I have uh, onion and potato. So can I add elements into the tuple? Is it possible? So the answer is no. Let's see. Veg dot append, as we have done in the fruits in the list, we are checking that it can be happen in the tuple, yes or no. So we'll just write append, add another vegetable like ladyfinger. After we have to just print fetch. So as you see that my attribute error occurs because tuple object has no attribute append, because in the tuple we cannot modify elements. So what is the explanation behind we reach to the point that the list are actually mutable. What does the mutable means? It can be changed, but the tuples are immutable. It means that it can't be changed. So this is the major difference between the list and the tuple. In the list you can access the element, likewise in the tuple, but you cannot change the element or modify the element as you do in list. Tuple does not allow it. So this is the major difference between list and tuple. Another difference is in the list, the elements are stored in the form in the square brackets, while in the tuple the elements are actually stored in the form of round brackets. So this is the major difference between list and tuple. I hope you understand this.